Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin, and this is Beauty with Sin, and I am coming to you guys with an Amazon wig. I've been seeing these little 2x2 lace in the front on like TikTok and some other YouTube channels, and even on some of the wig places that I usually shop for wigs. And so I saw this on Amazon, and I think I will tell you this. There are a couple pros and a couple cons. I will say the pro for this is it's going to turn into be a hat wig. My camera wasn't focused at the time, but I will share all the details. I will give you the link. I will say this. The quality of the hair, really great. Really great synthetic quality. I think the mixture of it felt like it was like a blend of like synthetic and high fibers. It didn't shed. The thickness of it was very good. It was really great density in this wig. My only con that really truly I think messed up this wig is the fact that the lace. Now, if they had just attached the lace to the wig, it would be perfect, but they tend to put this like fake scalp there, and I feel like if they had left that piece out and just attached the lace, this would be the perfect cheapest go-to wig that you just cut that little piece off, melt it down just a tad bit in that little square right there, and you will be good to go, because the hair quality is actually really good for a synthetic wig. But underneath it, if you've bought the old synthetic wigs before, you know how hard the thickness of that lace when they're trying to act like it has a faux scalp. This is a step up from that. This one was a little bit softer, but it did have that faux scalp in there, and I didn't like it. I think that threw the wig off, and it made the lace in the front that they put in there pointless. It became pointless because once you cut that lace off, there's not much molding. It doesn't stay put because they didn't attach it on its own. They actually used that faux scalp and just put that piece of lace on top of it. And I did not like that. So I coined this a hat wig because of the quality of the hair, and it's a pretty color and everything like that. I just know that I can rock this when I'm going out for errands, and I could put a hat on if I want to wear a hat and I want a good quality looking wig that looks a little bit high end. This is one of those I would say just grab it and go. Don't worry about the lace sitting down. Don't worry about nothing like that because it's not going to do it for you. So yeah, I got it from Amazon. It was not expensive. I think it was like $20 or less than $20. But as I'm showing you there, I'm showing you guys how the lace has that faux thing. And God, I wish my camera was focusing properly that night. But I had filmed anyway and didn't realize that afterwards that my thing was not filming properly. But I will take pictures, and I will leave the link to this video down below so that you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. But for now, just continue to watch the rest of the video and see how I put it on and what I did. And yeah, that's my final thoughts on this one. So my final thoughts on this wig. As I said, it is a true synthetic wig, which, you know, I love them. When they come curl like this, I don't have to do too much work. This is just a drag it on and drag it off and whatnot. So like I showed you guys earlier, the fake scalp and whatnot, like if I come closer, you see it when I cut the lace off, it's not sitting flat on the head. Like if you need to glue it down, I wouldn't consider gluing it down. You could use a little bit of melting spray just to hold it in place if you want to, but I feel like it's fine for me. The only thing that I would do is make sure that I kind of figure out like how to darken that part where, you know, so it doesn't show up. The clip of this and kind of show you guys. Would I suggest buying the wig? Yes, I would, because it is a quick, easy throw on. It's nothing like major. It's giving wiggy wiggy. I ain't gonna lie. It's giving wiggy wiggy only because of what they did. When I saw the little lace in front of it, I thought, oh cool, it's just regular lace and stuff like that. But I feel like they should have made it kind of be able to blend in. I will see what I could do with it because I will wear it. I will be rocking this wig. This will be re-rocked. So anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this little show and tell of this wig that I received from Amazon. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel if you're interested in seeing me review wigs, do some beauty and makeup videos. Those will be coming up soon, because I have some new makeup products. So in a few videos coming up, you'll see me do some first impressions, and yeah, so stay tuned. Bye guys.